Hi everyone, here's a couple of tools you can use to help measure time and price on your charts. So first one I'm going to show you is price measure. So I'm going to select that from our toolbox and just go from 2 points on the chart. So from that low to that high there, 31.6% in this chart of oil. We can also display that as a price or both, and we can also repeat that, so which is good for or useful for potential price targets, and we can actually expand that as well. So 1.382 is a Fibonacci level that will expand that that level up there. Time measure, that will allow you to go from any 2 points in time and measure the distance. So this example, 163 days. Now by default that'll be a trading day, but we can change that to any other time unit as well, so including calendar days, so counting weekends and holidays. And like the price measure, we can also repeat and expand. So that's now gone off the charts 234 calendar days into the future, but that's useful for identifying potential cycles. Now we can combine these two tools into what's called the time price measure, so or TPM. So I'm going to select that, go to that high, to that low there, and you can see that label. Let's change the position of that label to top right. So that gives you the dates, the range, and that's exactly a year, funnily enough, from the 3rd of October 2018, 252 trading days, 365 calendar days. And TP is a time price ratio, so that's the price distance divided by the number of bars. So that's another useful tool there. Last one I'm going to show you is called time price label. That's slightly different. So TPL. So let's select that. So the very first time, or the first label, it's just going to show you the date and the price. And the way we add the next label is go to the actions and add new label. So now this is going to measure from that first point to this second one. So 124 days, 174 calendar days. Again, like in everything, you can select what labels to show from the properties, and we can keep adding labels. So we can add another new label there, and so from that low, it's 73 days between that, from the second label to that third point there. Hope that's been helpful. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.